Hi, welcome back to 108 Contemporaries embroidery kit series. On this video, we're going to learn how to do a simple chain stitch. So you'll take your needle on the back side, and something that you can do is you can tilt your needle at a 45-degree angle and run your needle along so you can find the right point. And then you come up through the end of one of the lines on your pattern. And then you'll go about a 1/4 inch down your pattern line and pull through the back. And then you're gonna want to go past the line another 1/4 of an inch. And then when you go back, you're gonna split the previous stitch and pull through. And continue by doing the same thing. And there you have it. Simple chain stitch.